What's up YouTube, it's your boy Srtfied and I'm back with another video for y'all. If this is your first time on this channel, hit that subscribe button ASAP. But today is part 2 of Project Mr. Ready RT. I left off yesterday of getting the processor wired up. So I had to, last night, I kind of got a little free time last night, so I went ahead and soldered up the wires before actually putting the wire harness in the car for a nice and clean look. So right now all that's left is to tuck all the wiring and then plug everything into the sound processor. So let's get it going. So as y'all can see, I got all the wires laid out, labeled, and this is the mess I'm dealing with right now. I got everything coming through here. I'll be routing it down into the carpet and then all the way to the back by the back seats, but everything is soldered up, all the connections. You could use wire connectors, but I actually started out with wire connectors and then I changed up to actually solder them because it doesn't take up as much room. Wire connectors tend to generally be bulky, so especially since I already have a lot to figure out how to tuck and hide. Obviously a lot of this stuff won't be hanging once I actually pull this wire through, but there's still a lot of wiring under here that I'm gonna have to tuck. So let's get this thing going. Ran up to the back seat right now, which that's the easy part, but everything is literally ran underneath the carpet. Pull this up for y'all so y'all can see it. Everything is underneath the carpet, tucked away for a clean and seamless look. And then under here, I actually took it out of here just because I was able to tuck everything on the back side to where even when you press the brake, it doesn't interfere with the wires. So everything is tucked from the back side, running back behind the carpet, all the way down the side to the back. That's where I'm at so far, y'all. As y'all can see, it rained on me, so I had to shut down shop for a good couple of hours, but I finally was able to get everything done. However, the sound processor is a no-go. After I got everything hooked up, I was just getting way too much static from that sound processor. I mean, it's a used sound processor. He bought it used, so he wanted me to try it out. I mean, it didn't work out, so I was still able to utilize the input, speaker level inputs on his 4-channel amp. So everything is hooked up and running for now. Don't mind the mess right here. I did leave the wires hooked up currently for the sound processor in case he decided to get it repaired or looked at, to where if he does want to utilize it or if they give him a new unit, it'll just be plug and play. I don't have to go in and do the whole wiring again. Everything's already wired up, so I just have it sitting right there. But yeah, that is everything. The only thing that's not really tucked are these little frays right there, which go to the sound processor. But yeah, everything is tucked nice and neatly. No wires showing. Again, hopefully, yeah, I can't see it, too dark. But yeah, that is it, y'all. All right, so I would do a quick demo, but I don't want this video to get copyrighted, so unfortunately I'm not gonna do a demo for y'all. But Project Mr. Ready RT phase 1 is complete. Like I said in my last video, the next step is to do a full paint correction and ceramic coating on this car, and that will be coming up next weekend. So yeah, it's been a long couple of days. Yesterday and today has been long. As y'all can see, I don't have a garage, so I'm kind of at the mercy of this weather, and it's been blazing out here, except right now it decides to rain on me. So still got it done. Everything looks pretty good. It sounds really good, to be honest with you. Even without the sound processor, it sounds really good. But the sound processor would definitely enhance that system. So hopefully he can get a new box for it. If not, he might even like it without it. So we'll see. But
It's nothing to take that sound processor out. It's just the wiring for the low-level inputs for the sound processor. Luckily, his 4-channel amp had the capability of receiving that, because most older amps don't have that. So if he wouldn't have had that, we would have had to figure out some kind of line output converter and convert everything over. And yeah, anyways, that's a whole nother topic. But I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Like I said, that completes phase 1. Stay tuned for phase 2, and that's coming up in a week. So if you like the contents of this video, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe as always. Hit that notification bell so y'all don't miss any exclusive content, and share this video like crazy. You know what I'm saying? So until next time, I hope y'all have a good day.